Hey cousin, are you a lemon cake lover? I am too, and I got you with the best moist lemony lemon loaf recipe. In a bowl, I add 1 stick of softened unsalted butter and 3 eggs. I mix until the butter has fully broken down and becomes a pastel yellow color, like this. Then I add half a cup of sour cream, followed by 1 cup of white sugar. Blend that together and I grate the skin of 1 lemon. Yes, give me all that natural lemon oil. Save the actual lemon for later and add 1 tablespoon of lemon extract. Do not skip this step. Lemon peel, while it's fragrant, it's not enough lemon flavor. Combine, then add 1 cup and a half of all-purpose flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a dash of salt. Blend until it's all fully combined. Then I spray my loaf pan with my trusty Pam baking spray. Both of these are in my Amazon store. Check out the caption. I pour in the batter, level it out, and this bakes at 350 for 50 minutes. Set a timer. Once out of the oven, allow it to cool for 20 minutes. In the meantime, I make the icing. Combine 1 cup of powdered sugar with the juice of that lemon we grated earlier, along with 1 teaspoon of clear vanilla. Combine, and that's our icing. Icing the lemon loaf is messy, but worth it because icing sets and slightly hardens within minutes. Add as much or as little icing as you'd like. When you cut into this baby, it is so moist, the right amount of lemony, and the icing is the perfect added sweet touch. Sour cream and butter make all the difference in the batter. Perfection. Enjoy, cousin.